If a purchaser identifies a PR as incomplete, for example if an attachment is missing when it is required, they can select the position and return it to the requester for amendments. You can copy other people in on the notification and add instructions or a reason for returning it. Although it is recorded for traceability, it doesn't affect the release strategy of the PR. Then, the requester receives an email containing all the details and a link to access SiTRACK and make any necessary corrections. In SiTRACK, the requester can view the PR and make any necessary modifications. In this example, they can attach a URL or file directly from their desktop to complete the PR. Once the amendments have been made, the user can confirm them and provide additional information for the purchaser. She will receive an email confirming the amendment, including the comments and a link to SiTRACK, where she can continue managing the PR. In SiTRACK, you can track every step, date, and status. Now, the purchaser can also validate that the PR has the necessary technical specifications, allowing them to continue their work without affecting their SLA.